Okay, we are going to do another example of graphing the solution. We've already got our equations in our y-intercept formula. So we need to look at starting with our y-intercept. So remember that the value all the way to the right, our b, is our y-intercept. And that is where x is 0. So we'll be plotting it along this line where x is 0. So we will go to blue. So we're going to go to 10, and that is our y-intercept. And then we're looking at our slope. This is our slope here. And our slope is going to be -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we run for a +5. So then we'll plot our point. And then our slope, -4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And run for 5. And plot our next point. And then we're going to run a -4, 2, 3, 4, and run +5. And we're going to go ahead and make our point. We're going to go ahead and make our point there. Then we're going to graph and connect our points, trying to do a straight line as best as I can. Okay, so that is our first equation. Then we'll go to pink. And our y-intercept for pink is -8. So we're going to go down to -8. Oops. We're going to go down to -8 and plot our y-intercept. Now our slope here is -4/5. So for our slope, we're going to go -4 and over 5 and plot our point. We're going to go -4 and over 5. And plot our point. And we can go the other way. Remember, we can go -5 and +4 to plot our point here, as long as we're doing one of them negative and one of them positive. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my dots here. And what you'll see is, which we already know, if our slopes are the same and our y-intercepts are different, we already know that there's going to be no solution. So these lines will never cross. These are parallel lines. So they'll never cross. There's no solution. There's never going to be a point of intersection on these. So this is an example of no solution graphed on a coordinate plane.